Hello, class. Mrs. Key here. I am just here to talk about your interactive notebook for science class. Whether you're in my class or Mr. Howard's class, you will have an interactive notebook for science. Interactive just means that it's not just for note-taking, that there will be other elements as well involved in the notebook. So I have a student example from a few years ago I wanted to show you. As you can see, it kind of gets fat, but that's because there's all kinds of good stuff glued into it. Since we're going to be starting the year with distance learning, it's hard to say if we'll be doing as much gluing. We might be doing more just handwritten notes, and that's okay. Good practice for high school. So as you can see here, the notebook ends up having a table of contents that gets filled out along the way. We really do use this almost every single day, so get used to that. We also have pages of work, and this left side is always going to be called your input. Usually that's going to be your notes or whatever information I or Mr. Howard provide to you. On the right side will be what you do with that. So that's called the output, input and output. So that's me looking for you to do something creative or take that information and think about it and turn it into something else. I'll give you some additional examples. So here's some notes input on this side where we took notes in class on different types of cellular processes. And then on this side, the student drew a picture to represent some of the processes. And this information is part of a free choice homework, which we will do a lot of. And you will have a free choice menu in your notebook where you get to choose what kind of homework assignment or output you want to do. We will not be having science homework during distance learning, so it's best to work hard and get the work done in class. And although your notebook might not be graded for perfection, it is important that it is your best effort. So you know what that looks like. I don't always know what that looks like, but I think I get a pretty good idea. So please always work hard on it and know that it's a great resource for you to take with you to high school. A lot of students have reached out and said, hey, I use it in biology all the time as a resource. And so we're building it throughout the year. All right, thanks.